Alright guys, I'm coming to you live from the Z100 Summer Bash in New York City at Hudson Yards, right in front of the vessel, as you can see. So let's go in and see what this is all about. So as we begin to walk through, you'll see there's different activations. This one is from Maybe Happy Ending on Broadway, so you can enter to win. There's also a photo op here.
Silence?
Yeah. How you doing? Huh?
Hi, through?
Yeah.
Wow,
I'm on live right now.
I'm the one that follows.
Oh, wow. Thanks so much.
¿Te pasa en San Juan, el lado de
Yeah.
Hacho, ¿puedo coger una foto contigo?
Yeah, of course.
Bro,
Let me,
qué milagro, bro.
look, big supporter right here.
Oh my God, this guy's a blessing, man.
That's crazy.
Yo, I've been watching you. Nacho, Dios te bendiga, papá.
Thanks so much, man. I appreciate
Papá.
it. That's so crazy. That is so cool. Here we go, posing for the red carpet. This is the hat you get after you do the experience.
When I'm away from you, I miss your touch. You're the reason I believe in love. It's been difficult for me to trust, and I'm afraid that I'ma mess it up. Ain't no way that I can leave you stranded, 'cause you ain't never left me empty-handed. And you know that I can't live without you. So baby, stay. Oh, 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 oh. I'll be messed up if you can't be right here. I do the same thing I told you that I never would have told you to change. Even when I knew I never could, know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to. I do the same thing I told you that I never would have told you to change. Even when I knew I never could, know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. I need you to stay, need you to stay. Need you to stay, need you to stay. Need you to stay, need you to stay. I'll be messed up if you can't be right here. Tell me honestly what.
That sound good. Come on now.
Has this been going on? Are you coming, baby? How long has this been going on? That's so shame. I've been feeling it lately. How long has this been going on?
good evening, everybody. Hello, everybody in the front all the way. How you doing? Hello, everybody all the way back there by the Bulgari store, whatever that looks fancy. Hello. And hello to everybody over there as well. Thank you for staying out in the heat. My hometown station, y'all.
Thank you, everybody.
Hope you don't mind getting a little jazzy over there, okay? Thank you, Z100, for putting this on and putting a mini air conditioner fan on stage. I've never had that before. That's kind of fun. I'm putting my face in it like a dog out a window. 100 New York.
Good night, everybody. Thank you.